Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Forex Game for Beginners app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Forex Game for Beginners is a forex trading simulator designed to teach newcomers the basics of currency trading through gamified practice. Instead of risking real money, users can explore how forex markets move, learn foundational concepts like currency pairs, leverage, and market trends, and practice making trades in a simplified environment. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is intended to help beginners gain confidence before transitioning to real trading platforms. The app's main feature is its simulation-based trading interface. Users can buy and sell currency pairs using virtual funds based on real-time or historically inspired market behavior. It introduces educational elements such as trading lessons, strategy tips, and challenges that help users understand how the forex market responds to global events and price fluctuations. Its goal is to make learning more intuitive and less intimidating for first-time traders. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app for offering a risk-free trading experience, clear visuals, and a simple interface that makes forex concepts easy to understand. The gamified approach is praised for making learning fun, especially for people who feel overwhelmed by traditional trading platforms. However, there are some drawbacks. The app is simplified, so it does not fully represent the complexity of real forex markets. Some users mention that the pricing movements and conditions do not always match real-world volatility. There are also ads that may interrupt the learning experience, and users looking for advanced tools or technical indicators may find the app too basic. In summary, the Forex Game for Beginners app may be worth using if you want a free, low-pressure way to learn forex fundamentals, practice trading safely, and build confidence before entering real markets. However, if you are seeking advanced analytics, realistic charting tools, or professional-level trading simulation, this app might not meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.